Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 6.3 15th and 16th problem. 15th and 16th problem. Read the problem carefully. A vertical pole of length 6 meter. So vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter. Shadow is in 4 meter long on the ground. And at the same time, the important thing is same time. And at the same time, a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. We don't know the height of the tower. The shadow only 28 meter long. Clear? So first, I'm going to draw a pole, vertical pole. This is vertical pole, and the shadow, the sun is here, the shadow will lies like that, and the distance between this is 4 meter long. And the vertical pole is 6 meter. Clear kanna? This is vertical pole. This is vertical pole. And 6 meter. Vertical pole length is 6 meter. And the shadow is 4 meter. Clear? Like the vertical pole, tower. We have one tower. The shadow will be like this. Okay, this is tower and shadow only 28 meter. We don't know the height of the tower. We don't know the height of the tower. That only we have to find. And one more thing, what is the angle of this? The angle must be 90 degree. We know that the angle must be 90 degree. Clear? How we can find the height of the tower? We know 6 meter. The height of the pole we know, but we don't know the height of the tower. How we can find by using similarity criterion? If we prove that the two triangles are similar means we can tell that the sides are in same proportion. The sides are in same proportion. How we can tell that the sides? How we can tell that the two triangles are similar? We have to prove. So we have to find height. Find height of the tower. Find height of the tower. And now we have to prove that the two triangles are similar. How we can prove that the two triangles are similar? Before that, I am going to give a name A, B, C, and for this D, E, F. D, E, F. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, we know that one angle is 90 degree. Angle B, remaining thing is AC, and here angle EDF. Okay, each 90 degree. Each 90 degree. Okay, we know that angle B and angle E is 90 degree. That only we know. We can't take the sides, corresponding sides, because we don't know the value of height of the tower. So which criteria we have to use? SAS, SSS, AAA. Clear? And RHS. Here we have 90 degree, so you can think whether we can use RHS or not. RHS means right angle hypotenuse. It relates with hypotenuse, but we don't know anything about hypotenuse, so we can't take RHS. And three angles. We know that the one angle is equal, but we don't know about the other two angles. But if we prove that this angle and this angle is equal, means we can use this criteria. Clear? And then the other similarity criterion also checked whether we can prove. Yes. We can't take the sides. Why? Because we don't know the one side, that height of the tower we don't know, so we can't take the side. This two sides only proportional, one side only proportional, we don't know about the other side, so we can't take this one and this one also. So we have to take this similarity criteria alone. We can use that only. But we know that one angle is equal. Instead of triple A, we can prove double A similarity criteria. So if we say that the one more angles are equal, means we can tell that the two triangles are similar. How we can tell that one more angle? We don't, more than this, we don't have anything given in the question. No, we know that this two angles only equal. But I said no, this is same time, this one same time. At the same time means sun will be same angle. It denotes same angle. At the same time, the sun will be same. Some sun shadow will be same. It makes an angle equal angles. Clear kana? So then we can tell that angle A. Here we have to denote angle A, and here D. Remaining thing is B, C, here E, F. Why? Because angular elevation of the sun will be same at the same time. Then we can tell by AA similarity criterion, triangle ABC is similar to the triangle DEF. So now I said that the two triangles are similar. After we proved that the triangles are similar, since triangle ABC is similar to the triangle DEF, we can tell that the sides are in same proportion. The sides means AB proportional to DE and BC proportional to EF. Clear? AB proportional to DE and BC proportional to EF. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, then what is the value of AB? That the height of the pole is 6, and DE, that only we don't know. DE, that is height of the tower, and BC is 4 and EF is 28. Clear? Now cross multiply. 6 into 28 is equal to 4 into DE. 4 into DE. We have to find the value of DE only, no? Remaining things shift to the other side. By which table we can cancel this? 7 4s are 28. So DE is equal to 42 meter. DE is equal to 42 meters. That is height of the tower. Height of the tower is equal to 42 meter. Height of the tower is 42 meter. Clear? Thank you. Next, 16th problem in exercise 6.3. If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. So AD and PM are a medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. So we have to draw the diagram first. Okay, this is midpoint, median, so mark this as A, B, C, and then here P, Q, R. AD is median and here PM is median. Clear? And then they said that the two triangles are similar. Since the two triangles are similar, we can tell that the sides are in proportion and angles are equal. Since the two triangles are similar, we can tell that the sides are proportional. Sides are in proportional. This side, proportional. The sides are proportional and the angles are equal. Then what we have to prove? AB divided by PQ is equal to AD divided by PM. Where is AB? This side divided by PQ, and then AD divided by PM. We have to tell that the corresponding sides are in proportion. To tell that the corresponding sides are in proportion, which two triangles we have to take to tell that it is similar? Which two triangles we have to take? ABD and triangle PQM. We can tell that we have to prove that the two triangles are similar. To prove, AB divided by PQ is equal to BD divided by PM. Okay. By which criteria we can prove? That is very important. We have to see that one. Before that, write given. If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR, PQR, such that therefore we can tell that the sides are in proportion. The sides, I'm going to take these two sides alone. Since the triangles are similar, we can tell that AB divided by PQ is equal to, and then BC divided by QR. BC divided by QR. This two alone I'm going to take, and we can tell that the angles also equal. Angle B is equal to angle Q. We can tell for all the angles, angle A is equal to angle P, angle C is equal to angle R, everything we can take. But we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. For that I am going to take Q and B and Q alone. Clear Kana? For that only I have taken this side, these two sides, AB, BC, PQ, QR. Clear? And what we have to prove? AB divided by PQ, AD divided by PM. Proof. Proof. First I am going to take this one, that AB divided by P Q, BC divided by QR. It is given in the question itself. Okay, first I have taken this one, and then we need AB PQ. We have to we have to prove that the two triangles are similar. By which criterion we can prove? Yes, 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 A, or RHS. There is no right angle here, so cancel this one. And then they didn't mention about the, we know that the full angles are equal, but we don't know the half a portion. But the full portion for angle B and angle Q only we have. We have one angle only. So we can't take this one also. Okay. We can take angle A is equal to angle P. But here we have a half a portion only. And so we can't take a AAA criterion. And yes, 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 all the sides are equal. This side is equal, and we know that this side, we can tell that this side is also equal, but we can't tell that these sides are proportion. We can't tell that the medians are proportion. So we can't take yes, yes, yes rule also. And one more remaining is yes, A, yes. This side is already in proportion, and BC is already we know that BC is proportional to QR, and we can tell since D is a median, we can tell that BD and QM is also in proportional. And from the given we know that angle B is equal to angle Q. So by yes, A, yes criteria we can prove this triangles are similar. Clear? So I have to change that BC to BD. How we can change BC to BD? If BC is 10 centimeter, since D is a midpoint, what about BD is 5 centimeter. So AB, write the first portion as it is, AB divided by PQ. So instead of BC, I am going to write 2BA. How it is? BC. How we can write BC? BD plus DC. Since D is a midpoint, I can write BD instead of DC. So BD plus BD is equal to 2BD. BC is equal to 2BD. And for this also, QR is equal to QM plus MR. QM plus QM, since M is a midpoint, and 2QM. Clear? So instead of BC, I am going to write 2BD, and instead of QR, I am going to write 2QM. Okay, and then we can cancel 2. Remaining is AB divided by PQ and BD divided by QM. Mark this as 1. And then now tell me that AB is proportional to PQ and BD is proportional to QR, and we know that angle B and angle Q's are equal. So now I'm going to take a triangle. Which two triangle we have to prove it is similar? In triangle ABD and triangle PQM. So just now we proved that AB divided by PQ, BD divided by QM from 1, and angle B is equal to angle Q by given. So by SAS similarity criterion, triangle ABD is similar to the triangle PQM. Since the triangle ABD is similar to the triangle PQM, we can tell that the sides are in proportion. We can tell that the sides are in proportion. This side AD and PM is also in proportion. That AB divided by PQ is equal to BD divided by PM. This only we have to prove. No? AB divided by PQ and BD divided by PM. So first we have to identify that which two triangle we have to take and by which criteria we have to prove it is similar. Okay. After that, from the given we can take the two sides alone, because I am going to take this two triangle only. For that, based on that, I have chosen the corresponding sides. We can take all the sides also. We can take AC is proportional to PQR also, and angle A is equal to angle P also we can take, and angle C and angle R also we can take. But to prove that the two triangles are similar, I have taken these two sides and one angle, this angle alone. Okay, from the given I concluded that AB divided by PQ is equal to BD divided by QM, and the two triangles which I have to prove is similar, that I have taken, and from one I concluded that the corresponding sides are proportional and one angle is equal. So by SAS criterion, I said that the two triangles are similar. Since the triangles are similar, I can tell that the sides are in proportion. The corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Clear? Thank you.